part. And let's see. I don't want to get my hands too dirty here, so I'm just going to do this. All you're going to do is just roll the balls around. So I'll take the little thrust plates off. Alright, get the balls into a grouping and just roll them. And we get the grease off, or at least most of it. We got, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 diff balls. Alright, I want to check for grooving on these thrust plates. I doubt there's much, if any. A little bit grooving on that side. Let's see, which side appears to have the most grooving. Tell you what, they're about the same. Yeah, okay. It's not going to make really much of a difference. We also clean off this screw. They call it a thrust bolt, but it's really just a screw of the appropriate length. And actually, I've always been curious, how long is this? This is 30, is that right? No, that's 30, 25 millimeters. And 2.5, so it's 2.5 diameter by 25 millimeter long screw. If you happen to lose a thrust bolt, that's what you need. Alright. So, first things first is we want to get drive joint grease on the bottom plate. And this stuff's sticky, so you just use it to pick up thrust balls like this and just plop them onto the plate. Alright, come on. Oops. Happy little thrust bearing. We're going to Bob Ross this diff. Okay. And let's see. Can you get a little bit more onto here? Yeah, just a little bit. Almost feels like painting. Alright. Now, just lean that against there. I do have to flip this over because I need this for screwing the thrust bolt in. Alright, so we're going to take this, and it's going to go right in this side. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it in like this, okay, so that way I can put the spring in, put the nut in from the other side, and then we just start screwing. It's just, when it just so barely starts to tighten, so check it. Alright. That's clearly loose, which is fine. Just going to go down a little bit. Feels very smooth. So, just keep going. Alright, that's starting to feel a little, no, okay. Because the plates are fresh, because I flipped the diff plates over on the inside here. So, it would have to start, you need a certain amount of grooving for the ball diff to break in. And I talked about this in my ball diff video. But I don't like to break in the diffs before using them. I let them break in as the car is running. So otherwise you're just wasting the diff. in order to break it in. I just think that's stupid. Let's see. Alright, that's about full lock. Okay. See, there's a little bit of residual, which you don't want that getting on your actual belt, because that'll cause the belt to slip. Just want to wipe that off. If you can. It's kind of hard to get in there. Okay. Not too bad. Alright. So that's pretty good. I haven't even had to like crank it down and then back off. This is just a pretty smooth feel as it is, so that's totally fine. I'm going to put this back on. Now, since you've seen me rebuild one, I'm not going to do this one all over again for the camera. I'm going to do this off camera, because it's also kind of late and I have to get to bed soon. So this is set. I'm going to clean all these little things, and then I will make the next real-time video, so to speak, and we'll take it from there. So that would mean that the next video is going to start with me torturing myself in real time, trying to put that rear gearbox back together. That'll be the first thing I do, because I think, in my opinion, that's kind of central to the build. Once you do that, it's better to start there and then work on the rest of the drivetrain, starting from the rear gearbox. Okay, so that's it for now, and thanks for watching.